Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you legally own the iPhone. Gather the original receipt, box with serial/MA, or carrier document so Apple can verify ownership. Once done, contact the seller and ask them to remove the device from their iCloud account at iCloud.com. This is the fastest route. If you bought from a store, request a written invoice showing serial/MA. Make sure to keep all records. Apple will need clear proof to proceed. Next, you file an official request with Apple support to remove activation lock. Explain the situation, provide your receipt and the device MA/serial, and follow their instructions. Apple may ask for scanned documents to confirm ownership. If the prior owner is reachable, have them sign in to iCloud.com, select Find My, choose the device, and remove it from their account. This prevents risky workarounds and restores the device legitimately. Finally, once activation lock is officially removed, you should erase the iPhone and set it up with your Apple ID. This ensures the device is clean and tied to your account. If Apple cannot remove the lock because proof is insufficient, ask for escalation or return the device to the seller for a refund. If you encounter problems, do not use third-party bypass services. Those can brick the phone and may have legal consequences. Instead, gather stronger documentation or seek consumer protection assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.